So, welcome to the another episode of the Flutter Bootcamp, and today we will study about the provider, that how the provider is working and what is the concept of provider in Flutter. So, without wasting of the time, let us discuss about the provider. Okay, so as you know, in Flutter we have two type of widgets. We have two type of widgets. The first one is called stateless widget and stateful widget. So in stateless widget, we don't have state. It means in stateless widget, whatever you define at the initial time or at the start of the program, that will be the constant till the life of the app. And the stateful widget is a kind of the dynamic widget. It means it can it can be changed the state, it can be changed the value at any time. For example, a button is a dynamic widget and a text is a stateless widget. So let us take an example. This is a stateful widget and this is a stateful widget, and these all are the stateless widget. So when you change the state of this widget, the first widget, the last widget get communicate. So how the first widget establish the communication with the last widget is a question. How the first widget will establish the communication with the last widget. So the first widget will establish the communication with the last widget, and the last widget is will establish the communication with the first widget is with the help of providers. So today we will understand about the providers, that what is provider and how the provider is working in Flutter. So we will create a app. What is going on, man? I cannot create app. Yeah. So I will create a app which have two themes. Light theme and dark theme. And there will be a toggle button when a user click on the button, it will change the theme. Okay, so let's create a project. Let's check. Now the project is created and it is working fine. So I will open the project in Android Studio. I will stop it from here and then I will open it in Android Studio. And I will again run the project. Yes, things are working fine. Okay, after that I will clean things, some commented file. There I will create a let's say home screen. I will add this home screen to the main project here. And I will delete rest of the file. You can see I have deleted rest of the file. Here I will create one scaffold. I will create one scaffold and after that I will create one app bar. I will delete this and yes, this is called app bar and this is called title. I will name it home screen. Yeah, things are working fine. Okay, and in the body I will create a column So this is the switch. I will change the alignment. So the idea is when I click on this switch, okay, it will change the theme. But as you will find that when I am clicking on the switch, that the nothing is getting changed. Even the state of the switch is not getting changed. It is just because this home screen is a stateless widget. So what I have to do, I have to first convert this switch into the stateful widget, and then I have to manage the changes. We can say that uh, the true and false value of this, true and false value of the switch. So here we will manage the state of the switch. So for that we will convert this into the stateful widget. So I will create a custom stateful widget here. Let's say custom switch, and I will copy the code of this the switch here, and I will add the custom switch here. Then state, as you know that the stateful widget manage the state, so we will create one state here. Make it default value false. I will add this state to the switch, and I will change this state. After that what I will do, after that I will work on the theme. So I just change the color of the app bar with the primary color of the theme, and then I will change the background color of screen with the color scheme primary container. Let's check. Yeah, now what I will do, I will try to make it a, try to change the brightness. the brightness of dark theme. See, this is the brightness of the dark theme, and this is the brightness of the light theme. Now the next step is to add the provider. When I click on the button, it will change to the dark theme, and when I switch off the button, it will change to the light theme. So let us make a provider now. Okay, so to add the provider, uh, you have to just go to this site. Okay, and either you have to run this command or you have to just paste the dependency in your pubsec.ml. So I will just paste the dependency to the pubsec.ml. Okay, after pasting the dependency, I will run getpub command, and after that, now the provider is installed. So here what I will do, I will use a change listener of the provider. So here I will create a new folder named provider, and I will create a new class called theme provider. After that I will create a class theme provider and extend it with the change listener. There I will create a private variable, private boolean variable flag, and I will make it default value false. I will set it flag value, I will set the default flag value. I will create a getter method for the flag, and then I will create a setter method for flag. And once the value is set, I will just notify that the value is changed. After that I will add this provider to the main method. Okay, so I can use this provider across the app, and here I will use the consumer will consume the value. consumer will consume the value, and then here I will assign the value to the provider in the custom switch. I will give the default value of flag to the switch, and here I will change the value of there is no value of this, there is no need of this. See, it is working. So how I apply the provider? First I add the dependency, then I create a listener called theme provider. There I declare a boolean variable. I created a getter and the setter method. When I am setting the value, I notify the listener. After that I add the provider to the main app, so that the scope of this provider will be in across all the app with the method with the class called change notifier provider. And then I add the consumer, which will use to change the theme based on the boolean flag value. After that I just change the value of the boolean variable which is defined in the provider on the click of the button. And when I just click the button, the value will change to dark, and when I just click the button, again click the button, it means I switch off the button, the value of the theme changed to light. And it was a kind of the dynamic theme, so you can change the theme also, like I change it with the teal color. Yeah. I change it with the orange color. Then the blue color. So this is how the provider is working, and I hope you like the video. Okay, so in Flutter we have we are using three type of provider. The first one is called provider, the second one is called we can say the second one is called the rework port, and the another one is called the block provider. So today we discuss about the provider only. I hope do you like the video and you like the content. If you like the video and the content, then please come to my channel. Okay, subscribe my channel and like my content. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you very much.